Welcome to the 6th Annual Prism Awards for Photonics Innovation. One of the common threads that weave all of us together in this room is a respect for, and in most cases, a serious quest for innovation. SPIE and Photonics Media are delighted to recognize some of the most innovative new products and the companies that build them tonight. We are very lucky to have a group leader with the world's largest semiconductor company. Over 19 years at Intel, first as a visionary engineer experimenting with light on a chip, then becoming the director of the silicon-photonics lab, and now general manager of Intel's silicon-photonics operation, which is saying a lot about Intel's intentions. Along the way, he has received personal notes from Gordon Moore on a number of occasions, which I would expect to be rather motivational. He motivates other people too, not only on his team at Intel, but with others in the ecosystem that is necessary to successfully roll out silicon photonics. Like many of you, his travel schedule is intense. In fact, he arrived just in time for the award ceremony from SFO, and we appreciate the extra push. Please join me in welcoming from Intel a fellow of SPIE, Mario Paniccia.
Thank you, Peter. It's actually an honor to be here. It's a wonderful ceremony, and on behalf of myself and Intel Corporation, first, I have an admiration and a true respect for all the men and women here, the innovators, to drive new technology, and not just drive new technology, but as people know, is the commercialization of that technology, which is quite important. Why does Intel care, or why are we in photonics? As everyone knows, what's happening in the world today, mobile devices, handheld, the big data, cloud computing, all of that's driving the need for more connectivity, more bandwidth, scale up, scale out of the data centers. And it's actually fitting because all that's really going to drive significant consumption of optical components and optical devices. And so it's a true honor to be here to actually give the award for optics and optics components. And so with that, let's look at the finalists.
10 years ago, I was trying to fabricate moving micro-optics on silicon.
Looking at data centers which are virtualized and modular, we wonder what type of router needs to come into the world to offer similar benefits.
This is the first time I've done this. It's actually quite exciting. And the winner is Compass-EOS.
So thank you on behalf of my co-workers back home who didn't get to travel. Compass is all about putting photonics directly on the ASIC, like you said, in order to make telecom and datacom more efficient. So I'm very happy that the SPIE was recognized us, and thank you.
We want to see photonics at work in the world, improving lives, improving manufacturing. We're in a globe of limited resources. We have energy issues. We have health issues. Photonics can contribute greatly to improving the world. SPIE tries really to connect the researchers with the problems. You tonight are innovators who have brought the research forward into products that will end up in the hands of people in factories, improving manufacturing that will end up in the hands of healthcare specialists, improving health, that will end up in research labs, understanding and beating back disease. We thank you for that.